Samsung could be planning to enter the drone market. Patents transformable drone structure. The company is not considering making just a drone. The patent reveals that the South Korean giant is working on a transformable drone design, something that no drone maker has done so far. Hi, I am Cheshta Sharma, Director of Indian Institute of Patent and Trademark, and you are watching Future Tech. Samsung, the South Korea-based giant known for making smartphones and other consumer electrical items, could now be looking to enter into drone market. The company has been active in filing drone patents, and a recent drone patent has now been published by US Patents and Trademark Office. Media reports indicate that the drone will in effect be the next generation accessory for the company's Galaxy lineup of smartphones. In the patent, the drone is described with having folding arms, lot of specific sensors. Apart from a camera sensor, it will come up with gyros, barometer, compass, ultrasonic temperature, light and ultraviolet sensors. The arms of a drone could be folded within the body. Other than that, it includes the usual technologies such as wireless controls using smartphone, tablet or PC. Samsung says that it can be controlled by any electronic device, including any home appliance such as washing machine or a refrigerator. As for the housing structure, the drone is comprised of two compartments that slide together to form a compact portable unit. Just like another drone apps, the company intends to include a joystick-like control that can be manipulated by a smartphone screen. In the patent, the company notes that while the unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) have historically been developed for military purposes, the addition of a camera sensor to the drones have resulted its popularity more in commercial markets as well as. According to the data from the market research firm IDC, the global drone industry has grown at a compound annual growth rate of 30.6% and will grow to worth of $29.5 billion by 2022. That's all for today. If you like this video and want to watch more, subscribe IIPTA on YouTube. Cheers.